Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we'll explore the essentials of conducting a gap analysis. We'll discuss what gap analysis is, its benefits, useful tools and frameworks, and provide a step-by-step guide to get you started. For a deeper dive, check out the link in the description below for our detailed article and free template. So what is gap analysis? Imagine a bridge. Gap analysis is a strategic tool that helps you visualize the gap between where your organization stands currently, one side of the bridge, and where you envision it to be, the other side. By identifying these gaps, you can create a strategic plan to bridge the distance and reach your desired future state. Performing a gap analysis helps you understand your current situation, set realistic goals, and create a strategic plan that aligns all stakeholders. This provides a clear strategic direction and helps prioritize resources effectively, focusing on critical areas for improvement. When should you use gap analysis? This versatile tool is suitable for various scenarios such as creating new strategies, developing new products, improving processes, and preparing for audits. It's beneficial for understanding why you aren't meeting key performance indicators and what you need to do to actually achieve them. Now that we've covered the basics, let's walk through the 5-step process to perform a gap analysis. Quick tip, to follow this step-by-step guide, download our free gap analysis template in Excel format. You can easily download it and input your own information, so there's no need for you to develop a template from scratch. Find the link to the free download in the description below. The first step is defining your focus areas, your strategic pillars or priorities. Instead of broad ambitions, narrow it down to specific areas like financial growth, customer excellence, or innovation. These focus areas should succinctly describe what you aim to improve through your gap analysis. Next, identify your desired future state. Where do you want to be? Establish a clear goal and define high-level objectives for each focus area. For example, if customer excellence is your focus, your goal could be to achieve market-leading customer retention and referrals. Now it's time to analyze your current state. Gather data on your standing in each focus area. Utilize strategic analysis tools like SWOT, PEST, the McKinsey 7S framework, and others for a comprehensive view. These frameworks add depth to your gap analysis, helping you categorize activities and identify specific gaps, but aren't substitutes for the analysis itself. If you're unsure which tools to use, check out our blog article for more information. The link is in the description below. Step 4 is to identify the gaps. Compare your current state to your desired future state by examining key performance indicators. For instance, if your current customer satisfaction score is 3 and your goal is 7, you have a gap of 4 points to address. Now it's time to develop an action plan. Identify specific projects for each focus area to help you achieve your goals. Set realistic deadlines and milestones to keep your team on track. Think of this as your roadmap to success. As you can see, gap analysis is a powerful tool. However, it's only half the battle. Once you've identified the gaps and created a detailed action plan and roadmap, the real challenge is executing those projects and making steady progress towards your business goals to ultimately close the gap. That's where Cascade's strategy execution platform comes in. Cascade helps you plan, execute, and track your strategy all in one place, seamlessly bridging the gap between planning and execution. It's perfect for addressing the gaps identified in your analysis and centralizing action plans to ensure you achieve your organization's desired future state. So give it a try. Sign up today for our free forever plan or book a guided one-on-one tour with one of our in-house strategy execution experts to see Cascade in action. You can find the links for both options in the video description below. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful videos. Until next time!